In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a recipe ebook with Canva. Whether you are collecting family favorites or building a professional cookbook, I'll walk you through choosing a template, customizing your pages, and exporting a polished PDF you can share or print. Start by opening Canva and heading to the search bar. Type recipe book, cookbook, or recipe ebook. You'll see a variety of templates in different styles, from minimal to colorful. If you spot a small crown icon on a design, that means it's for pro users. If you are on the free plan, either choose a free alternative or adapt a free layout to match the style you love. Pick a template that suits your cuisine and the number of recipes you plan to include. Before you dive into editing, plan the essential pages. You'll want a strong cover that sets the tone, a clear table of contents so readers can find recipes quickly, a short introduction or about the author section to share your story, the main recipe pages, and a final call to action page to invite readers to follow your work or visit your website. Keeping this structure in mind will make the whole project more cohesive. Now customize the layout and content. Replace any stock images by uploading your own food photos. Then drag them into the existing frames so they snap into place. Use bright, lit images and keep the style consistent across pages. If you need to adjust a photo, double-click to reposition or crop, so the dish is the focal point. Next, edit the text. Double-click each text box and type in your recipe names, ingredients, cooking instructions, and prep or cook times. Aim for a clear hierarchy, title at the top, ingredients grouped logically, then step-by-step directions. Use concise language and consistent measurements and include serving size and any helpful notes like substitutions or storage tips. Maintain a consistent look throughout. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts, reuse the same color palette, and mirror page structures, so each recipe feels familiar. This consistency builds a professional, branded feel and makes reading easier. If you have a logo or brand colors, apply them across headings and accents. Personalize the ebook to make it yours. Add short stories about where a recipe came from, family notes, or quick cooking tips that help readers succeed. Keep these snippets brief and friendly so they complement the recipes without overwhelming the page. When everything looks great, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard for emailing or sharing online, or pick PDF Print for high-quality printing. Give it a quick review after download to ensure images are crisp and text is readable. Thanks for watching.